Costco in the morning. Ohayou gozaimasu. Just here, shopping for some stuff. Gonna see what sales they got. Pick up some groceries. Gotta get the cart. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing? Prunes on sale too. It's literally the 1st of April. That's when the sales are out. Got my list. Frozen mango, window cleaner, laundry detergent, milk, cereal, yogurt, 2-pack. Oh yeah, the good stuff. Chicken thighs and grapes. But you better believe we're gonna fill up this cart. Alright, starting in the cleaning aisle first. This is what I'm here for. Just a standard Kirkland signature laundry detergent. We use the powder stuff now, kind of religiously, and I mean, you can't beat that. $20! That is freaking crazy. So we used to get like the liquid stuff, or even those little tablets. I found out they're not that good for the environment, so we don't get it as often. And I found out the powder stuff is just as good and way better priced. And of course, the classic is the Tide, but you don't usually see the Kirkland signature always, which is weird, but it's here this time. Okay, another odd purchase that I haven't bought myself in a long time. Usually Judy gets it. This is glass cleaner. All right, I know I just talked about being earth friendly, and this is probably not as earth friendly as using like the powder stuff, but this stuff cleans glass better than anything else. Don't get the Windex, get this right here. I had to clean my kitchen window yesterday and it irked me so much because it was so dirty. And they sell it at Costco. $8.59 for 4 bottles. So we've been drinking a lot of coconut water and you just can't beat this. I think there's better versions of coconut water versus a Kirkland signature, but I mean, I think this whole thing is, yeah, this is $10 for this whole thing. It's just nice to have that ready to go, and you don't have to refrigerate it, so we're gonna buy that. Judy drinks it, I drink it. Good for electrolytes and also smoothies. Basically my Gatorade, all natural. With summer coming up, this is a good deal. Chinette crystal cups, $2.30 off, $10. So we don't need any of these, but they're on sale right now. Right next to it, 80 paper cups. Oh, insulated cups, also on sale, $3.50 off. The deal. I told you guys my favorite sale at Costco, or like the favorite season other than the holidays, July 4th. Anything grilling related, hamburgers, you know, anything for the barbecue, on sale. July 3rd, even July 4th, but July 3rd for sure. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of Pepsi like I am Coca-Cola, but this is pretty cool. Pepsi prebiotic cola. They have both cola and cherry. Tell me if you've tried it. How is it? They're trying to get in on this trend. If Coca-Cola had that, I would probably try it just because I am a fan of Coke. There's all these healthy sodas. I think it started with kombucha because kombucha is good for the gut health. There's one brand that people said I should try. Let's see if I find it. Oh, it's over here. I think this is the OG, the original. Poppy, everyday icons. And yeah, this also has the prebiotics in it. Ingredients you love and less sugar. Haven't tried it, but yeah, people said it's really good. Oh, and look at that. $5.50 off? I might have to get that for the kiddos. There's 2 different flavors. And by the way, thank you to the people that comment. I do read your comments, so when you make recommendations, it helps. This one right here, this has the wild berry, orange cream, cherry limeade. Sounds really good, but look, right next to it, there's only 2 left. Maybe that's a sign. This is also on sale too. Strawberry lemonade, orange, raspberry rose. You know what? I'm gonna get this one. Only available for the next, what, 5-6 days, so get it. We don't really drink Sunday D, but it is on sale. Also, only for the next 5 days, so get it. I will say, compared to regular soda though, this healthy stuff is really expensive. This is what they do here at Costco. Both of these were on sale. That was like, I don't know, $5 off. This was, I think, like $4 off. These cinnamon rolls, this yogurt, and now not on sale. Gotta get it when it's available. Both of those you can kind of stock up on and save for like a few months. My gosh, it is empty in here. They're delicious. Especially if you're gonna have a party. Simply Naked pita chips, $2 off. And these are only gonna be on sale for not even a week. How long? Oh, these will last all the way till the beginning of summer. So there you go. Grab it while it lasts. Ooh, what? Organic? Has it always been organic? I don't know. Just so you know, get the real stuff. the Japanese grocery store. Some of these snack combos are getting out of control. Rolled Golds, which everybody knows, just some delicious pretzel sticks, combined with Cool Ranch flavoring. Pretzels. Cool Ranch. What do you think? What's the verdict on this stuff? $9. Speaking of pretzels, look. Dot's Pretzels. $2.50 off. Again, only available for the next 5 days, depending on when you see this vlog. Growing up, pretzels were not like a kid-friendly snack. If you got pretzels when you were a kid, you ate it because that was what was available, and kids just love snacks, period. But you didn't really love it. But now pretzels, with all those different flavors on it, kids love it. Kids love the Dots, my kids at least. So we usually have a bag or two at home. They've gone through an evolution, let's just say that. So normally I buy this like super premium rice that you can get at the Japanese grocery store. So I don't usually see the price of rice here at Costco. This is a 25-pound bag of cow roast rice, pretty standard, solid stuff. I'm not sure about this company, Homai, but it's made in the USA, all good. $15, it's crazy. Our bougie rice, I'm almost ashamed to say it, but it would normally cost $50. We don't eat a lot of rice, but you know, these days, when we've got 7 humans, we're going through it. And we literally just ran out, so I'm gonna grab a bag of this right now. This cart's getting pretty heavy already. It's like pushing a sled. You know we love our applesauce, and normally we get the Kirkland signature, but these Go-Go squeezes, a whole bunch of different flavors on there. $4 off. This will be on sale for the next couple of weeks, so you got more time on that. $10.99 for 28 pouches. Versus, let's go look at what we normally get. Okay, so this is 24 pouches, $10 is what I'm gonna get. For me, one of my rules is if I can get ones that don't have like all kinds of different flavors on it, just one ingredient, that's what I'm getting. And I think this ingredients literally has one. Organic apples. It does have ascorbic acid. Is that good or bad? Let me know. So I bought this probably a few weeks ago when I first saw it on sale. This Dave's Killer Bread, white bread done right. It's actually pretty decent. I mean, at the price too, $7.69, $2 off. I like this. All right, you guys. I'm a Cali kid. I grew up in San Diego, and I grew up eating this chili chamoy lime mango. Well, it didn't have the lime. It just had the chili. This is a dried mango with the spicy powder on it. It is bomb, 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 but obviously spicy. $9.39. We used to wait on the corner, me and my friends in my neighborhood that I grew up in, for the ice cream man to buy that Mexican candy. We didn't know it as Mexican candy, it was just the candy we knew. So it's kind of cool to see that here 30 years later. Chocolate coated waffle bites. My gosh, the girls would love that. I bought these and they're hella bomb. Brooklyn Biltong naked tender steak slices. These really good. Only 3 ingredients. It is kind of expensive, but grass-fed beef, apple cider vinegar, and salt. Really good. Really chewy too. Just FYI. Just when I thought it was over. What is this? Dubai chocolate bars. Nutty fruity. I mean, this is just straight up Dubai chocolate, individually wrapped. $16. What is this? A Dubai style cone. So it's just a waffle cone with the Dubai chocolate inside of it. This is $11. Much lighter than that one. When is it gonna end? I mean, if people love it, then good for you. And I'm not trying to be a hater. It's just sometimes things go like trendy, and then it drives up the cost. Good for the chocolate companies. But what about the pistachio people? There's a huge demand for it, but it's gonna drop off here soon. Then what happens? What happens after that? Okay, deal alerts, you guys. Hershey's Nuggets, classic. They got all the assortments. They got regular milk chocolate, almonds, special dark almonds, toffee and almonds. This whole thing is $5 off, so it's $15. And I can tell you this, way more chocolate than that Dubai chocolate. These do sound hella good. Chocolate coconut peanut butter balls packed with protein, also on sale. $3.60 off, $8.29 for this. By the way, I'm only vlogging the sales. They're gonna go away in the next week. So Go to Costco right now and get these. I'm gonna do another episode later when all the April sales come out, which I know it sounds weird to say that because it's by the time you're watching it, it'll be April, but the sales haven't come out yet. So these, the ones I'm vlogging today, they're gonna be gone in the next few days. Look at this Disney Letterman jackets with a good old Mickey on it. $80 for this. That's probably the most expensive piece of clothing I've ever seen at Costco. Feels nice though. All right, no more temptations. Cutting across. This is very dangerous territory. I know that if Judy was here, something would end up in this cart from the clothing section. Time to get some fruits. All right, first fruit, as usual, bananas, $2.49. When this goes up in price, that's not good. I'm planning on doing a video where I compare the prices of everything here at Costco to like 3 years ago when I started vlogging, because I know the prices have gone up. But let me know in the comments what has gone up in prices, not only at Costco but at your grocery store. And unfortunately, because of this war in Iran, yeah, things are about to get really crazy. I mean, I know gas is already up at least, I want to say $1 here. Really sad what's going on right now, and it's gonna start hurting. I mean, obviously I pray for the people over there in that area. I don't want people to get hurt. At the same time, it's gonna hurt the rest of the world, but just, you know, not our lives, just our pocketbooks, which obviously is minuscule to someone's life, but we don't need any wars. That's what I'm saying. Okay, sticking to the list, the grapes is on there, and I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna grab these grapes right here. It's a good price, $7.49 for these black seedless grapes. For a real question though, does anybody buy grapes with seeds in them? Do you prefer them? There was a time where I liked them because I thought they were more natural, which is probably true. Judy definitely doesn't like them, so. But you never see grapes with seeds in them. How do the grapes grow? That's the question. Oh wait, I guess the plant. It's just like a tree or like a bush. Just ran out of onions. Always our go-to spot for yellow onions. Only $5. 5 pounds, which is a lot compared to what it used to be, but who's checking? Getting some oranges here. Yeah, these caracaras, juicy. Kids love them. $7 for 5 pounds. Don't you worry, I am not gonna forget the frozen mangoes this time. Last time when I came here for Judy's list on the phone, I think she said frozen mangoes. I didn't realize it. I didn't write it down, and in the comments you let me know I forgot the frozen mangoes. That'll be the last thing I get. That's one of the things. When it comes to frozen stuff, I always get that last. So I have forgotten sometimes, but I'm not gonna forget today. Thank you. Thank you, chat, for putting in the comments that I forgot frozen mangoes. See what I mean? I will say it's on sale at $4 off, but I think this is a play on Dubai chocolate because I think it has a roasted kadaif, that stuff that's in Dubai chocolate, and obviously it's got pistachio in it. A bun that's got pistachio and whatever that crunchy stuff is. Nah. I liked it when I first ate it, especially when the girls made it, but after that, over it. Time to get some milk. Our favorite yogurt, or at least me and Judy's. S5, $5.23. Organic, grass-fed cows, A2 protein, plain, so you have to mix in honey or whatever. Seems pretty obvious to me, but which one is healthier for you? Maple syrup, like the real deal from Canada or anywhere, like real maple syrup, like the one from the tree, or honey. I heard it on a podcast. I think it's honey, but I love maple syrup. Second and last thing is always chicken. Get that. You get the one that's expiring later, April 2nd, April 3rd. Ooh, April 5th. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, baby. How much is that? $33. That's crazy. I saw Point of View Husband. He's another creator that does not necessarily Costco content. He just does food content, and he was doing the same thing, looking for the freshest milk. Who doesn't want it fresher? Last but not least, because definitely I won't hear the end of it if I forget again. Frozen mangoes. $10 for this guy. All right, all that. $200. Not bad. Got some good sale items today, so I'll take it.